Hi,
You're
I'm Dave. Yeah,
And I'm Wally.
right.
So Dave, we're on another project for Roofing Right with Dave and Wally. Lovely day in Idaho.
Oh,
on a
beautiful
job.
morning. Yeah, nice and
little
cool.
job we got going. We're going to have a series of videos. And we're going to talk about, different options for this roof we're going to do, different systems we're going to do. We're going to have a video on, assessing the roof. Can you tear it off? Can you re-roof it? That type of thing. We're going to have, how to prep the roof. We're going to have a segment on that. And then we're going to have an actual segment on systems we're installing.
Correct. And there's like 4 systems, I believe.
4 systems. Mechanically attached with induction welding.
Right.
Some low-rise foam. And we're going to use some fleece.
Yes.
With the low-rise foam mechanically attached. Right now we're on a mod bit roof that's been coated. And there's a lot of roofs across the country like this that are aging.
Oh yeah, it's I hate to say older technology, but it is.
Yeah,
it's,
it's still a good roof, but it's at the end of its life. So, there's all kinds of options where a building owner, you can tear it off, you can re-roof. There's some criteria where you have no option but to tear it off, right?
Right, when there's 2 roofs on it.
2 roofs.
You can't put a third.
What about if it's been leaking?
Well, 25% moisture content, it comes off.
So you got to check the roof no
Correct.
matter what. So,
which isn't expensive because
Yeah.
you got codes you have to go back with.
Yeah, you got dumpster fees, more
Right.
labor, more material. There's a lot of pitfalls you get into tear off.
Right.
Re-roofing is, I don't want to say it's cheaper, it's more economical.
Right.
Right.
And they've already coated this thing.
How many times?
Exactly.
And that's another option. You could coat this roof too, but again, this has been coated so many times. The coating is only as good as what it sticks to.
Correct.
So,
and I think you're throwing money away with another coating.
But again, we're going to cover all these options, different systems, so the audience can pick and choose
Right.
what they want to do with a roof in any particular situation. So stay tuned for future episodes.